Everyone, my name is Dela Puspita, and in this video I would like to explain and solve several statistical problems. And the focus of this tutorial is on measures of central tendency and measures of spread. I will also show how to create a frequency polygon. So the first thing that you have to do is enter to Excel and then add the data, and I just copy the data and then copy in column B2 and then sort smalt data and then continue and okay. So you have to remove the data, then you have to make it tables, and you go to insert and make it table. Okay, I got in column here. So you choose make it the number and then the score and then frequency and then x mean and then x kali min and x kurang min kali 2. So you just insert superscript because my table is too much, so I delete tables rows and then cukupkan. So kita masuk ke number, so you just click one and then you just click series and click the columns and you put 13 numbers. And so to fulfill the score, you have to copy column B, numbers in column B, and copy the score. And then to counting frequency, you just copy countif, you just click countif and then data mentah from column A, and then click count, and then copy the first score down. You just delete that you not use it, and then for counting XF you have to click the first score and then kali with the first frequency. Done. Next, to create x kurang min, before that you have to make it symbol. You just click symbols like this and then insert, and then to counting jumlah square you have to click zoom and then block all the data from square column, and then you use the same way to calculating all the numbers in frequency column until XF. To counting x min, you have to find the min first, and to calculating min you just jumlah XF dibagi jumlah frekuensi. Then udah tinggal rapiin. Klik ini. After that you can calculating x min. For x min you just click the first score in column and then dikurangi min, and don't forget to add dollars in the letter N like this. So done. And after that to make atau calculating x kurangi min pangkat 2, ya just click the x min first numbers and di pangkatnya 2 kayak gini, dan after that you have to calculate in fx min pangkat 2. You just click first numbers in frequency and then dikali first x min pangkat 2. Nah, sudah, you just delete and you pull it until fx min pangkat 2. Udah done, and then you just rapihin aja ya, misain angka di belakang koma. Udah, dan lanjutin median manually. You just add numbers like this, and then you have to find out the angka tengah. Graded to add the numbers first. So median is 138. So after that, the calculating mode, it's easy because one big frequency, big score yang sering muncul 132, and calculating range, you just to calculating the big score and the lower scores like this. Nah, to find out the quartile, you just add 1/4 dikali jumlah frekuensi and then plus 1, dan lupa kurung tutup, dan sudah. To find out the quartile 1, you just to hitung di frekuensinya ya, and quartile 1 is 125. I just put it down, and then is quartile 1. Next, calculating quartile 2. 1/2 dikali, don't forget to add dalam kurung jumlah frekuensi plus 1. Actually, this is the same way to calculating. And then to 33, just hitung ya dari frekuensi. Nah, 33 itu di 137. So 137 is quartile 2. So to find out the quartile 3, you just add 3/4 dikali jumlah frekuensi and plus 1. Click. So in the same way, you have to look at the frequency and dapat 9,5 in this. $143. Okay, it's quartile 3. And the calculating interquartile, you just to before that aku mau benerin dulu ini namanya supaya rapi. Nah, interquartile, you just click quartile 3 dikurangi quartile 1, enter. Calculating variance, you just click to calculating variance, you just click ya jumlah fx min dibagi sama dengan jumlah frekuensi minus 1, enter. Nah, sudah. And then rapiin dulu. Nah, to calculating standard deviation, just masukin SQRT and then variance, enter. So kita rapihin as usual. Nah, udah, ini beres nih. Beres. After that, to create a polygon, you just block score column and frequency and add insert and recommendation and click the first one. Now like this, there is the polygons result. Kita pindahin dulu. Terus kita rapiin ini aja ya. Nah, kita rapiin. Nah, you just delete the column. Actually ini harusnya tadi, tapi kalau tidak mengganggu ya it's okay. Nah,